Gino Pettis Adventures. I'm still Gino, and I've got a piece of work for you today. I'm standing on the side of the road where I made a video because of how horrible the road was. Well, you can't say that there aren't some people with a lot of get up and go and hustle. If you will look over my shoulder, you'll see a young man down there with a shovel, and nobody hired him. He takes it upon himself to fill these potholes in, and he does it for tips. And so let's walk down there and see what Jose Barbosa is doing and how long he's been doing it. See, here you go. Will they give him money? And he blesses everybody that gives him money. Some people do and some people don't. We're going to ask him how much he makes a day. I don't know if he'll tell us. But you can see this was just potholes and big holes. And we'll see what Jose has to say. Buenos días, mijo. Bendiciones.
Gracias, igualmente para el Espíritu Santo y para todas esas lindas familias.
Muy bien, muy bien. ¿Cómo se llama usted?
Señor.
¿Cómo se llama usted?
José Vicente Barbosa.
Ay, ¿de dónde eres?
Yo soy colombiano de Río Negro.
She's a Colombian from Rio Negro. ¿Y cómo le ocurrió hacer esto?
Porque me nace el corazón mantener una carretera, no sea con materiales, sacando, limpiando, que pase una linda comunidad, un lindo pueblo, unos lindos hijos de Dios.
He said he's heartfelt about keeping his Colombia looking beautiful, and not with a lot of money, but with work and natural stuff to keep it going. So these big holes that you see here, he fills in all the time, and then it'll rain and wash them out, and he'll come fill them again. ¿Como cuántos paran diario? ¿Como cuántos paran diario a ayudarte?
Hay muchos me agradecen, muchos, a veces me faltan el respeto.
¿Hay que faltan respeto también?
Sí, me faltan el respeto, pero...
¿Y por qué?
Por pedir una limosna a la carretera. Yo no consumo ninguna sustancia, porque yo como bien, duermo bien.
Well, you gotta give it to him. He said a lot of people stop and give him money, and then a lot of people disrespect him, which I can't believe that he disrespected him. ¿Y eso?
Así me siento feliz para tener una comunidad, a un lindo pueblo que pase bien.
She wants to have a nice community and a nice pueblo, and that's why he works on it. And some people give him money and some people don't. And what is amazing to me is that some people disrespect him for doing it. He's doing the job that the politicians should have done. Except they're stealing the money and he's working the money. Pues muy bien, José, yo lo pongo en mi canal del YouTube. Lo agradecemos mucho su trabajo. Que Dios te bendiga.
Amén.
Y mi dicho es, si nada cambia, nada cambia. Y usted está tentando de cambiar el mundo una palabra a la vez.
Amén.
Amén.
Muchas gracias. Bendiciones.
De nada. So there you go. There's Jose's deal. Don't know what he makes a day. I'm embarrassed to ask him. And he's...
Muchas gracias. Bendiciones.
Gracias.
A ustedes.
Gracias a usted, José. Quisiera tener más gente como usted en el mundo.
Gracias. Yo quiero tener Colombia cero sin guerrillas, cero sin nada.
Listo. Listo.
Bendiciones.
Well, here we go. We bought our buddy some safety equipment. Bote muy grande, ¿no? No. Ahora sí. Listo. Ahí está, José. Bendiciones.
Bendiciones. Gracias. Gracias.
No, gracias a usted, mijo. Gracias a usted. So remember, it's the first day of the rest of your life, and if nothing changes, nothing changes. God bless you. Amen.